Auditing is a structured and systematic process that helps organizations evaluate compliance, efficiency, and areas for improvement. A successful audit follows three key phases. 1. Planning, preparing for an effective audit. 2. Execution, conducting the audit and gathering evidence. 3. Reporting, documenting findings and recommending actions. Each phase is critical to ensuring the audit is thorough, accurate, and actionable. Let's break down each step in detail. 1. Planning, setting the foundation for a successful audit. A well-planned audit ensures clarity, efficiency, and effectiveness. This stage involves defining the audit scope, objectives, and methodology before execution begins. Key steps in audit planning. Defining the audit scope. What areas, processes, or departments will be audited? Establishing audit objectives. What are the key goals of the audit? Compliance, process improvement, risk reduction. Identifying audit criteria. What standards, regulations, or policies apply, e.g. ISO 9001, IATF 6949, AS 9100. Selecting the audit team. Who will conduct the audit? Internal team, external auditors, or a mix? Creating an audit checklist, a structured list of questions and requirements to verify compliance. Scheduling the audit, coordinating with key stakeholders to minimize disruption. 2. Execution, conducting the audit and gathering evidence. Once the plan is in place, the audit moves into the execution phase, where auditors collect objective evidence to assess compliance and performance. Key steps in audit execution. Opening meeting, setting expectations with the auditee team. Interviews with personnel, speaking with employees to understand processes. Process observation, watching real-time operations to assess adherence to procedures. Reviewing documents and records, examining policies, procedures, and past audit reports. Sampling and data collection, selecting data samples to validate compliance. Identifying nonconformities, documenting gaps, risks, and process deviations. 3. Reporting, communicating findings and driving improvement. The final phase involves documenting findings, presenting results, and ensuring corrective actions are taken. Key steps in audit reporting. Compiling the audit report, summarizing observations, nonconformities, and strengths. Classifying findings, major versus minor nonconformities, opportunities for improvement. Root cause analysis, identifying why issues occurred and preventing recurrence. Recommending corrective actions, suggesting solutions for resolving nonconformities. Closing meeting, reviewing findings with management, and setting deadlines for corrective actions. Key takeaways. Planning. Define the audit scope, objectives, and checklist to ensure success. Execution. Gather evidence through interviews, observations, and records review. Reporting. Document findings, recommend corrective actions, and drive improvement. By following these three phases, organizations can enhance quality, reduce risks, and maintain compliance with industry standards. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to handle nonconformities and corrective actions effectively.